I need your help with Lennox furnace watchguard error.
Yeah, they make that error obvious by the green LEDs alternating flashing.
That doesn't tell me what to do about it or what caused it.
The typical sequence for watchguard mode in a Lennox furnace is that it calls for heat, the air inducer turns on, the gas valve opens, it lights.
Or tries to.
And if the flame shuts down because the gas valve closes, it may then enter watchguard mode. It will enter watchguard mode after 4 or 5 tries.
It could be a standard lockout.
Watchguard mode will be indicated by the 2 status LEDs having a slow alternating flash when it shuts down after the ignition fails.
The problem with that error is that it could be anything.
No, but watchguard error is a long list. It could be because the burners failed to ignite, the limit switch was open more than 3 minutes. It lost the flame sensor 5 times or the pressure switch opened 5 times in one cycle.
So how do I get the furnace to work?
In any of those cases, you can try power cycling the furnace to reset it, but that doesn't mean it won't work.
Sure, because of all the things that might be wrong.
Try watching the status LEDs before it goes into watch mode. You may see codes like low output on the flame sensor that tell you specifically what is wrong before it gives a more generic error.
I didn't see an error like that before it went into the alternating flashing for the watchguard error.
So reset the furnace and watch the LEDs for any other error codes. Or try fixing the most common causes of the error.
Cleaning the flame sensor or replacing it, cleaning the air filter or replacing it. Those are easy to do and I already did them.
Then you're down to cleaning the pilot tube and burner, making sure the thermocouple hasn't burned out. Checking vents for things that limit airflow as bad as a dirty filter but aren't as easy to clean.
I've heard the Lennox watchguard error could be more obvious.
When it says watchguard burners failed to ignite and the burner clearly failed to ignite, you either clean the burners or call for repairs, assuming you paid the gas bill.
I paid it, I just didn't like paying it.
If you see the burner ignite and die when it says the burner failed to ignite, you know to clean the flame sensor or thermocouple or both because it doesn't see the flamingly obvious.